Good morning, students. Let us discuss the design part of Boolean functions using decoder. Right. So let us continue the design problems. Right. Implement the following with implement the following functions. Following functions with suitable decoder. Suitable decoder with active low active low enable input and active high outputs. Okay, so with active low enable input and active high outputs, right? So here in the question he has not mentioned which decoder you have to use. It is left to you. You can also use uh, you can you cannot use 74139 or 74138 because those two decoders have active low outputs. 74139, which is a dual 2:4 decoder, and 74138, which is 3:8 decoder. Those have active low outputs, so I cannot use for this particular function or design problem. I cannot use 74139 or 74138 because they have active low outputs, but in the question they are given you have to use active high outputs, right? So the first function is f of wxyz summation of 379. Next, g of abc, which is equal to pi of 247, right? So for the first function you can also use a 4:8 decoder, sorry, 4:16 decoder. Let us design. So he has not told anything about the inputs, actual inputs. He told only about the enable input, which should be active low, right? So let us treat the actual inputs, which are w, x, y, z in the given function, as active high outputs. Sorry, inputs. Where d is MSB and a is LSB. Okay. So which is LSB here? LSB is z and w is MSB. So W I will connect to D, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, how many outputs we have? Total 16, because it is 4 inputs. One more enable I will show, which is active low, right? Active low. So to enable this particular decoder, I need to ground this enable pin. So such how many outputs you have? Y0 to Y15. Right? So you have to show you show all 16 outputs, right? So I'll show you only the outputs which are available, which are required for me, right? So y3 I require, then y7 I require, then y9 I require, and rest all you write till y15, right? So y3, y7, y3, y7 and y9, right? So these inputs should be given to which gate? OR gate, right? So the first general decoder which I discussed, that is 2:4 decoder I discussed now, with active high inputs and active high outputs, right? So in that case we used OR gate, right? Similarly we are going to use OR gate for this first function. Next, let us discuss the second function, which is pi. So again I'll take 3:8 decoder. This is 4:16 decoder. This is 4:16 decoder. So this is 3:8 decoder, and so I'll connect 3 inputs. I'll show them as capital A, capital B, capital C. These are the actual inputs, where A is LSB and capital C is MSB, right? So small a, which is MSB in the second function, and small c is LSB in the second function. So A, B, C are connected to the actual inputs like that, and enable is again active low, so that pin needs to be grounded. So total I will be having 8 outputs: y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 and y7, right? So 2 4 7, 2 4 7, right? So which gate I have to use here? I need to use an NAND gate. Let me check. So we need to use a NOR gate, because summation is complement of pi and pi is complement of summation, right? So here I have used, for summation I have used OR gate, right? So for pi I need to put a complement on sigma, or I need to put a complement on OR gate. That means if I complement the output of OR gate, what we will get is NOR gate, right? So this function can also be designed by converting the given function, that is GABC, into sigma. So how can I write the second function? Except these max terms, you write the remaining numericals as min terms. So 0, 1, there is no 3, there is no 5 and there is no 6, right? So this function I can design similar to this function, right? So here I will connect it to C, B and A. This is capital A, this is capital B, this is capital C, and this is connected to ground. So these outputs I'll name them as 0, 1, 2, y3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So 0, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, right? So these all outputs are connected to OR gate, right? So this is what? G of what I can write? G of ABC summation of 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, the same function can also be modified like that. Pi is modified like modified to sigma, and then we will solve the function. Okay, let me solve some more problems on decoder, and today we will wind up this decoder part. So the next question is, implement the following function pairs using 74138 decoder. First function is f1 abc 0 1 5 6 7 and f2 of abc 1 2 3 6 7, and one more condition he has given: implement for minimum gate inputs, right? So for this design we are going to use 174138 decoder, right? Because there are two functions, you have to use two 74138 decoders and one external gate you have to use, right? So, but the condition is that gate should have minimum number of inputs, right? So if I connect these outputs, directly to the gates, we will get 5 inputs, right? So I can also write this as what? F1 of, right? So can I write the first function as f1 bar abc is equal to summation of 2 3 4, one and the same, right? F1 bar, either you write F1 bar or you can also write pi of 2 3 4, right? So even that is correct. So now if I implement this function, we will be having only 3 inputs for the external gate, right? So we are fulfilling the condition given in the function, given in the question. Okay, so either you write like this, or you can also write f1 of abc as pi of 2 3 4, right? So similarly we can write f2 of abc, which again has 5 minterms. So if I use directly these minterms, we need a 5 input external gate. So instead we converted it to another form in which we will get a minimum number of max terms. So 0 4 5, 0 4 5, right? So let us implement this using only one decoder. It is left to you. You can either go for 2 7 4 1 two 74138 decoders, or you can also implement it using only one 74138 decoder. So here I'll be going to use only one 74138 decoder. Outputs are active low, right? So outputs are active low, Y5, Y6, Y7. Okay, outputs are active low, and inputs are, actual inputs are capital A, capital B, capital C, where C is MSB, capital A is LSB. Among this, A is MSB, or this A. Small a is MSB, which is connected to capital C, and small c is LSB, which is connected to capital A, and the remaining input is connected to third actual input. And it has three enable pins. One is G1, one is active high, that is G1, and two are active low, G2A and G2B. Both are active low, so they need to be connected to ground. So when I connect it, so G1, G2, G2B are the three inputs, three enable inputs, right? So now first we will implement the first function, which is 2, 3, 4, Y2, Y3 and Y4. These all inputs are given to which gate. You just refer back the previous problems, and you will get to know what external gate you have to use. Okay, so the external gate is AND gate, and 0, 4, 5, second one, that is 0, and this is 4, and this is 5, right? So here I am using only one 74138 decoder, and I am implementing these function pairs. Okay, so this is the design using 74138 decoder. Okay, next we'll see one more example, and we'll wind up the decoder portion. Okay, again the same function, the same question, but the functions are different. First one is f1 of abc summation 0 to 4, right, and f2 of abc 1 2 4 5 7. Again the condition is same. You have to use minimum gate inputs, right? For the first function, I need not to convert the summation into pi, because it has only 3 minterms. So if I use an external gate, it requires only 3 inputs, right? But the second function needs to be converted into its pi equivalent, because here it has 5 minterms. If I use directly these minterms, then we need 5 input gate, right? So instead of that, we will convert this summation into pi, and we will use only 3 inputs. Okay, so let us start. I'll keep the first function as it is, that is f1 of abc, which has a minimum number of minterms. So I'll directly implement this part using 74138 decoder. So it is not mentioned, it is the continuation of the previous problem, you can say, which is using 74138 decoder. So y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, sorry, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. Next, this is capital A, which is LSB, B, capital C is MSB. So here MSB is A is connected to capital C, LSB, small c is connected to capital A, and the remaining input is connected to B. Again, there are 3 inputs, 3 enable pins, which is one is active high, which needs to be connected to VCC, and there are 2 active low enable pins, G2A and G2B. Both are shorted and connected to ground, right? So if I implement this function y0, y2 and y4, so which gate needs to be used when it is summation? Just refer back the previous problems. So for summation, we need to use a NAND gate, 3 input NAND gate, right? So this is f1 of a, b, c. Similarly, to implement the second function, which has 5 minterms, right? So what I'll do, if I want to use a less number of input gates, this summation needs to be converted into max term, that is pi. So 0, 3, 6. 0, 3, 6 are the max terms, right? So pick y0, y3 and y6, and they need to be converted to connected to what? An AND gate. So this is the output function, which is f2 of ABC, right? So you can take your own functions and you can start implementing them using 74138 and 74139, and you also use the converted decoders. So we have seen the design of how to convert 74139 decoder, which is 2:4 decoder, into 74138, sorry, 3:8 decoder, and we also converted 74138, which is 3:8 decoder, into 4:16 decoders, right? So you take some more examples by your own and solve them using different decoders. First you solve them using 74139, then the converted 74139 into 3:8 decoder, and again you use 74138 and converted decoder, that is 74138, which is 3:8 decoder, which is converted into 4:16 decoder, right? So you take your own examples and solve them, and you can send me the snapshot of that, and I'll correct it. If it is not wrong, if it is wrong, then I'll tell you what is the mistake, right? So please solve some more problems, because I cannot solve all the problems because there are many variations in the problems. So you take your own problems and solve them and send me the solution. I'll correct it and tell you. If you have made any mistake, then I'll tell you what is the mistake and you can correct them later. Okay. So with this, I'll wind up the portion of decoder. In next class, we will discuss how to design what is a multiplexer, and what is the multiplexer, which is another combination circuit, and we will also see how to design Boolean functions using multiplexer. Okay, thank you.